Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, judge and all my beloved friends. My name is Atika Sari Praftila. I am a representative from Vocational High School, Bandoko. Today, I would like to talk about cultural diversity in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is a country that is often described as an archipelago of wonders. It stretches from Sabang to Merauke, from Miangas to Rhode Islands. With more than 17,000 islands, 1,300 ethnic groups, and over 700 languages spoken, Indonesia is truly one of the most culturally diverse countries in the world. This diversity is not just a statistic, it is a living reality that shapes the everyday life of Indonesians. Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about cultural diversity, we are not only speaking about traditional clothes, dance, or food. We are also speaking about the value, belief, language, arts, religions, and ways of life that make up the soul of our nation. Cultural diversity in Indonesia is both our strength and our challenge. It is a treasure we must cherish and also a responsibility we must carry together. Ladies and gentlemen, the meaning of cultural diversity, which also means the presence of many different cultural expressions in one society. In Indonesia, cultural diversity is expressed through language, traditional practice, ceremonies, architecture, literature, and localism. The philosophy that unites this diversity is our national motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means unity in diversity. This phrase teaches us that even though we are different, we are still one. Our differences are not barriers, they are colors that make our national identity richer and more beautiful. Without diversity, Indonesia will not be Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, example of cultural diversity in Indonesia. Let us take a closer look at some examples of this diversity. 1. This language. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia has more than 700 local languages, from Javanese, Sundanese, Balinese to Batak, Minangkabau, Bugis, and Papuan language. Each language reflects the way its speakers see the world, while Bahasa Indonesia unites us as the national language. Local languages are treasures that connect us to our heritage. 2. Traditional house. Ladies and gentlemen, every ethnic group has its own traditional house with unique architecture. The Rumah Gadang of West Sumatra reflect the matrilineal culture of the Minangkabau. The Tongkonan house of the Toraja in South Sulawesi symbolize kinship and social status. The Honai of Papua is simple but represents warmth and togetherness. 3. Traditional clothing. Ladies and gentlemen, our diversity is also shown through traditional clothing. From the batik of Java, Tenun of Nusa Tenggara, to ulos of Batak and Koteka of Papua. Each piece of clothing tells a story of history, creativity, and identity. 4. Art and music. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is rich in its art and music. The Gamelan Orchestra, Angklung, Sasando, and Tifa drums are more than just musical instruments. They are cultural expressions that unite communities. Dance traditions such as Saman from Aceh, Kecak from Bali, and Cendrawasih from Papua show the beauty and depth of our cultural heritage. 5. Religion and belief. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is also diverse in terms of religions. Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Confucianism, and many local beliefs coexist in the nation. Religion's diversity is part of our culture and is protected by our constitution. 6. Food. Ladies and gentlemen, who can deny the richness of Indonesian cuisines? from rendang of West Sumatra, gudeg of Yogyakarta, pempek of Palembang, to papeda of Papua. Food is not only about taste, it's also about tradition and local wisdom. Well guys, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Let me say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.